welcome back. So today I have another DIY for you. Yes, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I created these beautiful DIYs, just keep on watching.
I'm using these Jot magnifying sheets that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using this octagon shaped mirror from the Dollar Tree as well. Guys, I'm going to be using these silver picks again from the Dollar Tree. I have really been enjoying using these. So what I'm going to do is just cut these into little squares. They don't have to be perfect. Just kind of eyeball it so that you have a pretty decent sized square. And I'm going to need about 7 of these for each mirror. What I'm going to be doing is just cutting off the little ball end here as well as our fork end, and I find it easier just to snap the fork end off and then go ahead and take my little cutters here and cut that end off. So it should look like this. Alright guys, so now that I have my squares all cut out, I'm going to use these picks here, and I'm just going to line them up about 4 sets on each square. And then once I have them done like that with 4, I'll cut out again around my square so that I have the correct size. So for the third one, I am going to need another sheet of this magnifying paper. So you guys just know you'll need 2 sheets of magnifying paper and 3 bags of the picks if you decide to make this on your own. Now on the last one that I'm building, you'll need to leave 2 sides out because you'll need to put them together like this. Okay guys, I'm going to be using these popsicle sticks. Okay, so now I'm just going to take these cups that I picked up at Dollar Tree and just decorate them with the leftover little ends that came off of the picks. This Made with Love jar from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using my fine glitter as well as my chunky glitter. Be adding in some Mod Podge. So I'm trying to decide if I want to cover this up, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and cover it up. Alright guys, so I picked up this little plug-in from the Dollar Tree, and my plan is to just see if I can create something like a Bath and Body Works style plug-in with just a plain basic plug-in holder from Dollar Tree. So guys, I'm just going to be taking what's left of that glitter in Mod Podge mixture that I just finished using. Now, I'm going to be using this gem from off this ring that I had just around the house. But you can get a gem from Joann's, Walmart. They're sold all over the place for around $1 or so. Alright, I'm going to go in with these gemstones. Okay, so this is the refill that I purchased from Dollar Tree. You guys have enjoyed this DIY. If you have, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as giving this video a huge thumbs up, as well as hitting the notification bell, and go ahead and share with your friends. Why not? And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.